Hello viewers. So today's topic is viruses and bacteria. So first let's see the viruses. Viruses were discovered first by Louis Pasteur when he found that size of rabies causing agents were smaller than bacteria. Then Dmitry Ivanovsky found that when he removed the bacteria from the plant, tobacco plant, in which was infected from a mosaic virus, so the the mosaic disease was not gone. So he realized that the causing agents will be not be the bacteria but some other causing agents. Then Bajernik also found that mosaic disease of tobacco can be spread from one plant to other plant if he transferred the poisonous fluid from one plant to other. So let's now know something other about the viruses. Viruses are obligate parasites which are inactive outside the living cells. Viruses structure contains DNA or RNA, maybe single stranded or double stranded, with a outside protective coat of fats called capsid. Capsid is made of capsomers. Now let's know something about bacteria. Bacteria were first discovered by Anton van Leeuwenhoek. He saw some living cells in pond water. So he did not have any equipment. He used his simple lenses. So bacteria structure is the simplest one in living cells. Living cells means the living which are metabolically active outside or inside the host. So viruses are not living, as I explained. So because they are not active outside the living cells, but bacteria are outside active. So bacteria have simple structure with highly coiled DNA and three layered cover. The innermost cover over the cell membrane, then the cell wall of peptidoglycan, and the outermost cover of glycocalyx. So the are not obligate parasites. These may be harmful, useful, or may have no effect on us. So now you would have understand that viruses and bacteria are very different. Okay, thank you.